quiet evening, snow is falling.
Merry Christmas in July. So welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today and for the rest of this month, I will be uploading some Christmas videos, goodies for you guys. For those of you that are new to my channel, I wanted to give you a snippet of how I decorate my home for the season of, the holiday season, Christmas and fall. But because we're in the month of July and I do my annual Christmas in July, I could not pass up this opportunity to show you guys what I did last year for Christmas. So sit back, get a cup of hot cocoa, and let's get into this Christmas tour in my foyer. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, and lifestyle videos, cleaning motivation as well. So if that's something you are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and double tap that bell. So let's go ahead and get into this tour.
I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. You are bright and golden. Let it snow, let it snow. Bright and gold. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we longed for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, a child is born new. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. You might think the weather's kinda cold, but you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow.